In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a fake PNG file and make it transparent. This video is specifically for creators. We have all encountered this problem. Looking for a PNG image at the end, it's just a fake one. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it even if you find one. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the tutorial. Go to this awesome website and upload your fake PNG file. It's going to fix it for you for free. Then download it. Very easy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share it with your friends who are content creators too. Peace.
Change your